Welcome to Advanced Technical Learning channel. In managing worksheets, you will learn how to add new worksheets, how to delete worksheet, how to rename worksheet, how to move worksheet, how to work with multiple worksheets. So let's move on to the Excel window. How to add new worksheet. At the bottom left corner of the worksheet, you will see plus button. By clicking on this plus button, you can add new worksheets. How to delete worksheet. By right clicking on the worksheet tab, you will see delete option. When you click on the delete option, you can easily delete the worksheet. How to rename worksheet. You have two options to rename worksheet. By double clicking on the worksheet tab, you can edit the name or change the name of the worksheet. Or second method is that by right clicking on the sheet tab, you will see the rename option. When you select the rename option, then you can easily change the sheet name. How to move worksheet. By clicking and holding the sheet tab, and then you drag it to left or right. By this you can move worksheet. How to work with multiple worksheets. By holding control button and then select sheets and then enter your data in one sheet. After entering the data in the worksheet, you will see that data is written in all sheets. So let's move on to the next topic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.